Hi guys, so on the behalf of BVPIEEE, I'm going to tell you about the difference between L298 and L293d motor driver. Both the motor drivers has same working. The difference lies only in their specification. In L298N motor driver, you can see that there is also a heat sink, while L293d it is not. So let's know the reason. First of all, the voltage supply of L293d motor driver is between 5V to 25V, while in L298N motor driver the input voltage supply is between 5V to 35V. The maximum current allowed per channel in L293d motor driver is 600 mA, while in L298N motor driver the maximum current allowed is 2 A. Both the motor drivers has two channels, that is you can control two motors using these motor drivers. As in L293d, the maximum current is 600 mA, that is maximum output current is 600 mA. So you cannot run high RPM motors like Johnson motor using L293d. While in L298N motor driver, the maximum current is 2 A, that is you can control both high RPM and low RPM motors using L298N. The only disadvantage of L298N on L293d motor driver is that L293d motor driver is less costly, while L298N motor driver are more costly than the L293d. So at last, I want to say that if you are building some small projects which require low RPM motors, that is less than 500 RPM, then go for L293d. While if your project requires high RPM or high power motor, then go for L298N.
I thank our speaker to share his wonderful thoughts with us, and I really appreciate you all for being such a decent audience. With this, we end our today's session. Please like and share our videos, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.